Hello again, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.com. I'm on a bit of an autumn kick at the moment and I bought these a while ago. It's a scrapbook.com pumpkin spice stamps and dies and I just think they're really cute. I've seen a lot of cards made with these, so I thought I'd have a go myself. Right, I'm also going to be using this as well as embossing folder. Anyone would do with foliage on the back. I mean, you don't have to use an embossing folder if you don't want. This is just what I did. Now, the first card I made, I do not like at all. I don't know what it is. I've never disliked a card this much in my entire life. In fact, it actually makes me angry to look at it. I just don't like it at all, so I'm not going to be making that one. Shall put that to one side. The one I am going to be making is this clean and simple Hello Fall card. Just very quick, very easy and quite cute, I think. Doesn't have to be elaborate, but I don't really like plain white backgrounds on the card. I do like to have it embossed, so that's what I'm going to do. I've already prepared everything. I've prepared the little cutouts that I'm going to have. So it was that cup and that little cake. That's all I've used, and the Hello Fall sentiment with the matching die. I'll put these out the way. I've already cut some card. I thought I am going to emboss this, but I thought I would give it a few little orange splatters. This is the card base, obviously. That's going to be one of the mats, and that's going to go on there like that with everything on it. So it's just, like I say, it's just going to be quick and simple this time. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the dies to cut out these elements. So we have the one for the cup, I think that's the one for the cake, yep, and Hello Fall, which is that one, I think. Yep, that looks about right. I'm going to get these stuck down and, oops, I'm sorry you can't see that. I'm going to get these stuck down and put them through my little craft buddy. Now that's something you should be aware of. Make sure that you don't stamp the image too close to the edge. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we shall find out. I'm sorry, I'll just turn on my light because it's suddenly gone really dark outside. I hope you can see that okay. Now that hasn't really stamped as well as I hoped it would because I didn't use my stamping platform, which I should have done. I should know by now. I should have learned my lesson. The amount of times I've made mistakes with stamping. And that's turned out rather cute, I think. Oh yes, I just had enough room. If you can see that there, it has just cut off the edge there, so wow. So anyway, that's my little cake. So I'll put these away and then I'll be back. And I don't know if you can see on this one, I used a different little cupcake on that one. Right, I've just coloured these in using alcohol markers. Not brilliant, but it'll do. Next thing to do is put this through my embossing folder. And that's turned out beautifully. That is really nice, lovely. Right, so what I'm going to do is what I should have done before I embossed actually. I should have got some ink and applied it to the middle of the card like I did with this one. So I'm hoping if this doesn't work out right, I'll just cut another piece. It's no big deal. So what I'm using for this is just Stampin' Up Pecan Pie, but I think what I used for that other one was Distress Oxide dried Marigold, so we'll see. I want to stamp it mostly off I just want a little bit of a hint of colour really. I don't want too much on. I mean, that's probably too much for what I was after, but never mind, the middle part's going to be covered up anyway. And it's a nice autumn colour, the brown. Right, that. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll put that on there first using my trusty Collal glue. Never without this when card making. It's fabulous because it doesn't buckle or warp the card or show through at all. It's fantastic. No matter how thin the paper, you're not going to get any buckling. In the description for all of my videos, you'll see a little section right at the bottom for products that I use regularly. I think the Collal glue might be under there, but I will double check. Right, I forgot to show you the card, if I can just find it. Yeah, this brown card is from Creative Expressions. It's a cinnamon 220 GSM. It's really nice. I got quite a few of their cards stocked in different colours, mostly autumn, like browns and things like that. You can see on this one they're coloured differently, and I might try adding them a different way just to be different. Yeah, I think that looks okay. Perhaps a bit further up. So it covers up that splodgy brown. Perhaps I'll have them separated like that. And then put that on in the middle. Yes, I think I quite like that. We shall do that. These were cut from 300 GSM, but you could use 250. Still quite thick. The glue I'm using to glue these on is my Barely Art Precision Craft glue. Just dries a bit faster, that's all. I'm going to put the sentiment up on some foam tape. And it's quite thin. I don't want it too thick because I feel as though that one is a bit too thick. It's a bit too dimensional. Sorry, I'm going to have to lift this up so I can get it on straight. It's okay. Hello fall, and I think that's really nice. It's quick, it's simple, it's clean. Nothing detracting from the background. I'll put some bling on in a minute. So I'm going to put that on there, of course, with my Collal glue. Should have put that on before I added the little elements, but I don't suppose it matters that much. Just don't put the glue too far to the edge because it will ooze out. Yeah, I think that looks quite nice. I'll just put some bling on and then we'll have a look at the card properly. I have no idea where I got these. I think they were possibly a free gift from Stampin Up, I'm not sure, because I do buy quite a lot of stuff from there. So we'll just do the same as we did with the other one. And there we go. A quick and simple card for autumn. Easy to do. I don't know if you can see that. Is the camera focusing? I can't really tell. So yeah, it's nice and easy, and I think the embossing and the splatters just gives it a little bit of something. So I'll bring out the other one, and I would love to know which is your favourite. I don't know why one's bigger than the other, only slightly. Yeah, so I would love to know which is your favourite. I personally prefer this one because the background's a little bit busier without being overpowering. But some people I know do prefer the clean and simple cards. So please leave in the comments which is your favourite. I would love to hear from you. I really, really appreciate you watching my video. and I would love it if you could subscribe, like, comment, share. Anything would be really, really helpful and so much appreciated. So I hope that was helpful. I hope it's given you some ideas. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.